Hi, I am Roshan. Welcome to Enjoy Your English. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use verbs as nouns in these sentences. The meaning must stay the same. First one, we stayed in Sri Lanka for a short time. We had a short stay in Sri Lanka. Second one, we rested for an hour. We had an hour rest. Third one, she needs to diet. She needs to go on a diet. Next one, I am going to call her. I am going to give her a call. Next one, I looked in the newspaper. I had a look in the newspaper. Next one, I pushed him. I gave him a push. He dreamt her last night. He had a dream about her last night. Next one, they queued for an hour. They waited in the queue for an hour. Next one, this mango smells strange. This mango has a strange smell. Next one, I replied to her letter. I wrote a reply to her letter. That's all for today. Thank you and see you soon.